Hi everyone, let's continue Gretel. In the coming up series, we would understand how you are going to install this software on your desktop. As well as I'm going to share with you one of the important published article related to Gretel. So that article I would give a link of this particular article I will give in my description box. So you could be able to download this article and everybody could be able to read this article. So let's begin. First of all, what we will do, we will go to Google search engine and here is we will type Gretel, Gretel, Gretel. A moment we will type Gretel, right? We will type Gretel and this one is the our first one link. We are going to click here, Gretel, and moment we have to press this, now entire information would be available here. Entire information in terms of what are the features of this particular software, as well as what kind of files this particular software it is supporting, what are the libraries are available, what is GNU plot, and manual also you can download here. That is the PDF files you can download and you can read it later, right? And contributing to Gretel, as well as each and everything you can find it. A moment we will go there, you can see left hand side all these we can say titles are available here, or the direct link are here. Download Gretel for Windows, Gretel on MacBook, Mac operating system, data for Gretel, Gretel manual, etc. So what we will do, we will go there, download. And download, we can see MS Windows can be found and Gretel for MacOS, Mac operating system here. So mine system is MS Windows, so I would click here. A moment I will click here, this interface will open and in the download we can see 64-bit Gretel for Windows 10 or higher with Intel processor. Yes, of course, my system is this and I am not having 32-bit Gretel, right? So those have, please check your properties first of your system. If you have 32-bit Gretel for legacy Windows, so you have to click here, and those have 64-bit Gretel for Windows, you are going to click here, right? So this is the latest release, 5th June 2025. This is the latest version, right? I'm going to click here. A moment I pressed here, now we can see your download will start shortly. Now you can see here, your download will start shortly. And now it's start downloading. Now we can see here on the right hand side corner, one download in progress. And this circle progress you can see here on the right hand side. Then we come to the moment it will take downloading. We can discuss other features of this software. Now we can see this is the summary, right? You can see here, these are the project samples is also available over here. So you can go through all these samples, as well as what we have to do. There are files. Suppose you need some files, those you are going to use for Gretel. So number of the files are available over here. This one is the Gretel 40, this was the Python file, snapshots, manual, and other files also are available over here. So you can click on any file and you can download and you can use this file for further analysis. Further, it is reviews. Suppose you want to check reviews user rating of this particular software. So now you can see this is the user rating, right? User reviews, all you can read here, right? What people are thinking about this, about particular software. Support system, yes, you can see support system also. So project trackers also works, discussion, you can find it here. And further, it is news, those are related to news. You can go through it. I mean, twitter.com, these are the Gretel related news, and on the Facebook also you can check there. As well as here it is the like codes also you can find it, because that is the you can do coding also on this particular, and you can find it workspace also. As well as here it is, we can talk about the discussion. So you can read discussion and you can start any discussion also. So now you can see here on the right hand side, this one is the my.exe file is open, right? So I would click here. A moment I had click here, this software will ask you, do you want to allow, I mean, your system will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? So I would say yes. A moment I would say yes. Now we can see here. I will just, you can see here, select setup language. So there is the n number of languages are aware. My comfortable language is English. So I would press English. If suppose whatever is the language you are feeling comfortable, so you can select this language. So English, I would press OK. A moment I said press OK. Now the setup, it is here, add Gretel directory to your path, right? It was the unchecked box, but you can check this box. Suppose you want to add Gretel directory to your path. So you can check this box, then next, and moment you will press next, then is the install button is activated. I would press this install. And moment I said install, the setup is preparing for the setup install Gretel on your computer. And now we can see it will take few seconds only, not much time. And a moment we will work on this. So now I would show you what kind of icon would be visible on your desktop. And at that time, you can see no Gretel icon on my desktop. So a moment I now this is the on the left hand side you can see this icon. So I would finish this, yes, and now you can see I would put it in the middle. This the Gretel icon. It is available on my desktop. Earlier it was not there. A moment I had installed this desktop icon is here. I would press this. I would open this. I would click on this. So now this interface is open, and I had already explained you in my previous video what is this interface. And in my coming up videos, we will discuss about how we are going to open a file. Though that file that is already available in my system, or those are the sample files available in the Gretel software. And as well as we will discuss about how we are going to check statistics of that file. Statistics means we are talking about mean, median, mode, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis, each and everything we are going to how we have to check it. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. Stay tuned and keep watching.